Hello students, today I am going to teach literature to the students of standard 8. This is lesson number 3, The Enchanted Pool. Now, first of all, let me tell you something about the author of this chapter. Children, you should always know about the author who has written the chapter or a poem, who is the poet. And it is very important to know about the person. Now, the author of this lesson, The Enchanted Pool, is Chakravarti Raja Chari. As you can see, is there in your book. Now, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari is a well-known person. He was famous by the name C. Rajagopalachari. He was born on 10th December 1878 and lived till 25th December 1972. Informally, he was called Rajaji or CR. Now you see, he was an Indian lawyer, Indian independence activist. He was a well-known political leader, a very good writer, and he was the leader of the Indian National Congress and was the last Governor General of our India. He was the first recipient of India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. He was also awarded the Sahitya Academy Award for his retelling of the Ramayana in Tamil. In the year 1951, he wrote an abridged retelling of the Mahabharata in English, followed by one of the Ramayana in 1957. Now, C. Rajagopalachari has retold the whole epic Mahabharata in English. And this chapter which you have in your book, The Enchanted Pool, is a story from there. Now, I'll tell you the summary of this chapter first. The Enchanted Pool, this chapter, the word enchanted, enchanted itself means that is the pool was under a magic spell. So, the Enchanted Pool is a part of the great Indian epic Mahabharata, which was narrated by Saint Vyasa. The Pandavas were sent to an exile of 13 years, as you know, by their own cousin brother Duryodhana. Now, during the exile, the Pandavas felt thirsty and started looking for a pool. Sahadeva, the youngest Pandava, finds a pool, and as soon as he was going to drink water from it, the Yaksha who owns the pool warns him, forbids him from doing so. Sahadeva neglects his warning and drinks. As a result, he falls down unconscious. Now, one by one, the other three Pandavas came searching for him, and they too fell into the same trap. They drank the water without listening to the Yaksha, and they all fell unconscious. Now, at last, the eldest Pandava, that is Yudhishthira, reaches the pool in search of his brothers. On hearing, now when he reached the pool, Yaksha again warned him. On hearing the warning, he did not drink water and agreed to answer the Yaksha's questions in exchange of his brother's life. So if he gives the correct answer, then his brother's life would be saved. Now Yudhishthira's answers pleases the Yaksha, and he returns back the lives of his brothers. In reality, the Yaksha was god Yama, who had created this scenario, this whole scene, to test the dharma of Yudhishthira. So, in this whole chapter, you will read in detail how Yudhishthira at last saved all his brothers. So in this video, I have told you the summary and about the author. In my next video, I will read line by line and explain the chapter to you. Till then, goodbye.